Hey beautiful people, today you're going to work on a comic, or the key for your grammar comic book, and these are the elements that you will eventually include in your comic book, but I want you to create the key first so you can use it as a checklist. So we have gone through a couple of these things already, and I am deleting this because you don't need that. So some of these you will recognize and some you will not. And I showed you guys this example in class today as a good example. Keep in mind that you want to use colors that are not so similar that you and I cannot tell the difference between the colors. And again, you can put the text in that color, or you can highlight the text and then in whatever color you're using, and then use white or black for the text. Another example, this one is not horrible, but I don't love it. These are students from last year. So they have used a simple sentence and a participle in this sentence, but I don't know what part of the sentence is a participle. I mean, I do because I know what a participle is, but I want them, or I would like for you to identify specifically what the participle is. So it would have been fine for them to leave the text blue to indicate a simple sentence, and then maybe change the participle to a different color. And then they did the same thing for other pages like this. We have a simple sentence and a restrictive clause, but I do not know which part of the sentence is the restrictive clause. Another example of what not to do: please do not use teeny tiny symbols like this. Like, I do not read Arabic or whatever this is, so trying to look through the comic book to decipher what this is and match it and all of that stuff is just confusing and frustrating. So don't do that. I am putting this document in Haiku, so you can copy and paste it directly into your Google Slides, and then you can just either highlight it and then change the color to whatever color you want it to be, or highlight the word and then use the highlight here to change it so it looks like that. It's whichever you and your group prefer. So you're going to create your comic book in Google Slides, so go ahead and create a Google Slides. Somebody in your group create a new slides presentation, share it with your group members, and create your key. And if you will change the title of your Google Slides to your group members' names, and then submit this to the Dropbox in Haiku when you are finished. I will be back tomorrow. See you then. Bye.